This video is to show you how to share calls with your peers or your leaders through the Revenue.io Conversation AI platform. Let's say that I just finished a call that I'd really like to share with my leader. What I want to do is find that call within the Revenue.io platform. What I prefer to do to access that is to go to the My Profile tab, where my default tab will be My Recent Conversations. I can pick the call that I just finished that I would like to share, and then within that call itself, I can hit the Actions tab in the upper right and use the Share Internally button. This is where I can select my manager and I can type a message to him explaining why I'm sharing this call and what I'm hoping that he'll do. What you'll notice is that I can share this to multiple people, and it doesn't only have to be my manager. For example, I can pick my colleague Jake. He's in here as Jacob. Now I'm sharing it to multiple people. You can share this with peers, you can share this with your managers, you can share this with anybody that has a license to the Revenue.io platform. And when you hit this share button, they will now have an alert in their Revenue.io inbox that tells them that you've shared this call with the message that you've asked them to review. That's how you share calls with your peers or with your leaders.